Hello everyone and welcome to Toy Fun. Today I'm going to be showing you my Digi bird. So this is the Digi bird and it comes with this stand and there's two holes for your fingers there, and this can come off the Digi bird stand, by the way. So first I need to switch it on and it tweets. So these are a lot like little live pets, but they've got more phrases. This is what they sing. They can spin around. Whee! So, see guys, you can tell me if you collect Digibirds. So now, I'm going to show you this. If you pat him on the back, he will sing. He fell off again. So these don't really stay on the stand that good, really, guys. I'm gonna say something. So they have a really nice song, and that's the wing, and that's the face. It's so cute. And so you can get there's different modes. So you can get it onto do a solo, or if you have loads of these birds, you can do it to quiet mode. So I'm gonna try quiet mode, but I don't have loads of birds there. So oh, it still works, guys. So he was just singing, Tom, Tom, the piper's son stole a pig and away did win. So that was what my bird was just singing then. And here it goes again. So as I was saying, these Digi birds are a lot like little live pets, and I like them as the same. And I think they can get like a little case with them. It comes with a stand, and if you blow, they will tweet something. See? So these Digi birds are really cute, and they even got feet and they look like real birds. So this is a good opportunity. If you, instead of asking Mom, can I have a pet, and they say no, these are a really good opportunity instead of getting an exact pet. So if you really want a pet, but you're not allowed, why don't you get a Digi bird? Because these are a great opportunity to play with, and they act like a real bird. Let's play another song. that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to Toy Fun. In the comments down below, tell me if you collected Digi birds. Bye bye for now.